Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming this spare bedroom into an office. I am super excited to do this because I do not have an office space. I just edit on my laptop wherever I can, and my boyfriend is a huge computer gamer. He just has his computer set up tucked away in our nap room downstairs. So we decided it was time for us to have an office. So we're going to be moving the spare bedroom downstairs into the nap room, and we're going to be making an office here. So I'm really excited, and I'm so happy to show you guys what we did. So we moved everything out of the spare bedroom, which I wasn't able to film just because there was no place for me to actually set up and be able to have you guys see that without it being in our way. So this is the empty room, and I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum it, and then we're going to start moving the furniture in and get to decorating our office. I'm so excited.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
So as soon as we actually placed this desk where I wanted it, we took a look and we realized that we didn't really like the way that it jutted out so far into the room, and we kind of thought that we would maybe try and swap them and see if maybe his desk was not quite as wide. So we end up moving them, and as you can see in the next clip here, you'll see that it just juts out just as much. So we ended up just trying a couple of different ways, and we finally settled on the way that we have it now, which you will see. So it is now the next day. I think I'll reference that later on in the video, but basically I just ended up being too tired. I was just starting keto a couple days before, so I was having a little bit of the keto flu. So I was too tired to finish setting up my area the day before, but my boyfriend finished setting up his. So then the next day I was all ready. I felt a lot better, and I just started getting to work on mine. So right now I'm just going through and sorting out everything that was in the drawers to begin with, and just kind of trying to find a place for everything. And then I'm going to get to decorating, which is my favorite part.
I won't make it.
So this shelf was here before, and I ended up just leaving it in the same spot. And I actually ended up using a lot of the same decorations that I had in the spare bedroom. In our other bedroom, you guys will see that in the next video that's going to be coming, where I'm going to be redecorating the spare bedroom. Like they're similar colors, so the walls in that room are teal. So I'm able to use like teal and yellow in both of these rooms. So a lot of the decorations just kind of go hand in hand, and I kind of swapped them out and was able to use the same decorations for each room. So that worked out really well. I was able to keep some stuff here from the other room, and same thing with the other room. I was able to keep decorations that were in the other room. So it worked out really well. And one tip that I have for you guys when you're decorating is to use tacks whenever possible. Like a lot of times we think we have to use nails for things, but if you have lighter artwork, just use a tack. It's so much easier, and it leaves way smaller of a hole as well. So that is one of my decorating hacks for you guys.
Easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just
A lot of what you'll notice me doing in my decorating videos is trial and error. So I hang something, I step back, I take a look at it. If it's not the right height, I'll hang it again. I'll move something. Like as you guys will see in a couple of minutes here, I end up bringing in my little shelf of books here, my little trolley of books, and then I have a vase and I place it there and I don't really like the way it looks. Step back, I try placing it in a different spot, don't really like the way it looks, take it away. Like I just end up moving things, and it's all trial by error, and that is another huge decorating piece of advice that I have. If you don't know, I'm actually an interior designer by trade. So I went to school for interior design and I worked in the field for 7 years before deciding to stay home after I had my son. So I do have a little bit of credibility to my little tips here, but that is one more thing is that I would say is just don't expect to get it all right first go, just trial and error.
watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want.
Okay guys, so it is the next day, as you can probably tell by my change of hair and clothes, but we are done the office. So yesterday I was so super tired, so I didn't end up finishing my portion of the office. So Chad went ahead and set up his computer, but then of course left the decorating to me. So I went through this morning and I was able to use things that I've had before. So I didn't buy anything new for the space. I just used all things that I had, like just laying around the house and I wasn't using anymore. Some of the stuff that was in the spare room before I kept in, a lot of decorations, but other than that, nothing new. So I'm gonna have to buy some new stuff probably for the spare bedroom downstairs. So I think I'm gonna end up splitting this video into two, so you guys will see the reveal of the spare bedroom probably in another coming video. So right now we're just gonna focus on the office. So I'm going to take you through and show you everything that I did. Okay, so right when you come in and you turn around, there is this artwork that I actually made myself years ago. And then over here is my desk area. So I'm going to be ending up putting, because I used to do nails, I just only recently quit once I opened my daycare, but I have a bunch of nail supplies, so I'm gonna put most of that into these two bottom drawers there. And then I've got like office supplies and stuff just in this top one. I've got more nail stuff in here, and then here is actually, it's one big file, so that will be where my files and everything goes for my daycare. But here is the decor. So I got these two candle holders here, these two tree ones from Party Light years ago. And then this lamp was actually a hand-me-down from my sister-in-law's in-laws. Say that 3 times fast. I've actually got 2 of those lamps, but I'm just putting the one in here for now. I got that little pot is from Dollarama, and I need to get some greenery to go in there. This little shoe guy is actually a little ring holder, and this is from my great grandma, so wanted to keep that. I got these 3 little signs that say follow your dreams, write your own story, and wake up and smile from Dollar Tree. And I got this cute little picture holder thing from a trade sale. Then down here, this little girl boss thing I got from Dollar Tree. This lantern comes from Ashley Furniture. And so does this piece here, this vase. This desk is pretty beaten up, but it also comes from Ashley Furniture. This chair was from a buy and sell site. And then I have this shelf, which came from Home Depot, I think. The picture frame is from IKEA. Is this from Party Light? Avon. Oh, it's from Avon. Little tea light holder. This feather little, actually all this feather and these 3 owls are all from Ashley Furniture. And I can't remember where this box came from. I actually think I got a gift in that box. So this is my little area here. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. Got my laptop there. I think this is going to be a really good place for me to work, and hopefully it will help me in writing my novel. I can actually have a spot to sit down and write going forward. So now, just turning around here, I have got my little cart, my little TBR cart. So if you don't know, I have a BookTube channel. It's another YouTube channel here, and where I just talk strictly about books. So in a lot of my videos, you probably have seen my other bookshelves out in my living room that are just, they're big, white, and full. And this is my TBR cart. So these are the books. Well, you guys, thanks for hanging out with me as I redid my office space, or actually got an office space. I didn't really have one before. My boyfriend just had a computer that was tucked away into our nap room downstairs for the kids. So I think it's going to be a lot better having an actual office space now, and I'll actually have a place to come and write and a place to come and edit, and I'm really, really excited. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of my transformation. Is there anything that you didn't like about it, or what was your favorite part about it? Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.